Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. Shiba news today: after issuing one final warning, Shytoshi vanished. Nearly 25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, valued at over $250 million, were moved from a leading cryptocurrency exchange to a self-custody wallet by an unidentified Ethereum address. The Shiba tokens were transferred to a new wallet from an Ethereum address that Etherscan identified as being associated with the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com, based on on-chain data released by the crypto analytics company Sandymint. We'll talk about Shytoshi's final warning before he vanished in today's video, which is about Shiba news. Remember to give the video a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent articles on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Let's get the video started right now. The transfer was performed in 6 separate transactions, and according to the Daily Hodl, the whale has been accumulating ETH quickly since March 1st. As of present, it has 992 ETH in addition to its already 25 trillion Shiba tokens. It is now the third largest Shiba Inu wallet globally and the largest that hasn't been linked to an exchange thanks to the significant move to cold storage. Whale Alert statistics reveal that the biggest transaction it ever saw was the transfer of 4.1 trillion Shiba tokens worth around $45 million to an anonymous wallet. It's unclear if another whale is transferring its tokens or if Crypto.com, which is transferring its Shiba to a new wallet, is making the transactions. The dog-inspired token burned a staggering 453 million coins in the 24 hours between Monday and Tuesday, registering an unprecedented 137% increase in burn rate, according to the Shiba burn tracking site Shibainu. Burning Shiba Inu tokens is the process of sending them to an address that cannot be retrieved using a private key, rendering them useless and taking them out of circulation forever. This is frequently done to lower the overall quantity in circulation, which helps to reduce inflation and raise the value of the remaining tokens. For Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme coin globally, token burning is a community-driven endeavor to boost the cryptocurrency's worth. It's also thought to be in homage to some Asian cultures' custom of burning paper money as an offering to ancestors. In the meantime, the beta release of Shib, the ecosystem's Layer 2 protocol constructed on top of Ethereum, has the Shiba Inu community buzzing with excitement. The Shiba community is expanding as they keep looking for new opportunities. Shiba's beta version was made available last week, giving beta testers a sneak peek at the testnet. Based on Ethereum, the much-awaited Layer 2 protocol Shib is still in development, according to Shiba developer Kusama, who goes by the moniker Shytoshi. While the team concentrates on creating more efficient processes and keeping an eye out for issues, this can stay the case for 2 to 4 months. The Shiba Inu community is now experiencing a renewed sense of excitement and interest as a result of these developments. The community's ongoing interest and increasing significance in the cryptocurrency space is demonstrated by the debut of Chiron and the most recent transfer of Shiba tokens. It will be interesting to observe how these advancements affect Shiba Inu's adoption rate and future prospects. 2 well-known ETH investors have amassed a massive 1,022,047,313,000 Shiba worth $10,898,378 through 2 distinct transactions in the last 24 hours, according to WhaleStats, a well-known blockchain data tracking platform. WhaleStats reports that Kate, the 232nd largest ETH whale, completed the initial transaction, adding an incredible 899,999,734,985 Shiba valued at $9,619,197 in a single transaction. Not too long after, Blue Whale 0073, the 2,154th largest ETH whale, completed a trade to purchase 122,047,578,280 Shiba, which is valued at $1,286,381. In order to preserve the confidentiality and safety of exchange wallets, Crypto.com regularly customizes the process, transferring 24,939,482,510,233 Shiba valued $269,595,185 to a new address. This is when the notable whale buildup occurred. Whale's substantial accumulation in a market where Bitcoin is currently trading at $28,000 indicates that a major increase in Shiba's price is imminent. Because BTC is dominating and the market is short-term bullish, altcoins could begin to surge when BTC stops rising and settles into a particular price range. Since the release of Sharian public beta, there has been a noticeable rise in the demand for Shiba Inus, which has led to a notable rise in the burn rate. According to CryptoBasic, in just the last week, the Shiba Inu community has destroyed 2,072,114,690 Shiba through 290 distinct transactions. As the ongoing developments continue, lead developer of Shiba Inu, Shytoshi, recently alluded to a significant development while discussing a meeting between Ted Skilowitz, the futurist at Paramount Pictures, and Marcy Gastro, the advisor for Shibu Metaverse, at the 2023 South by Southwest Festival in Texas. Meanwhile, Kusama has categorized every member of the community as belonging to the Shibu defense breed in an effort to counteract the project's mounting negative publicity. Shiba's relative strength index and 30-day moving average are both in low positions that are ripe for a positive correction, giving the impression that a rally may be on the horizon. The coin has been oversold, as evidenced by its RSI dropping as low as 30 earlier in the month. As the indicator is currently steadily moving toward 50, a recovery may not be far off. In a similar vein, for a few days now, Shiba's 30-day has been declining, getting closer to the eventual comeback rally. Shiba hasn't had the large gains experienced by BTC, ETH, and other major coins in the last week, so it's entirely debatable if it will surge dramatically anytime soon. There are also a number of fundamental reasons to support this idea. The most notable being the beta release of Shariam, Shiba Inu's Layer 2 network. The network became operational on March 11th, and the full public launch is probably going to happen over the next 3 months. When Shariam is fully operational, users will be able to utilize Shiba Inu and the other apps in its ecosystem for a lot less money, and transaction times will both speed up and scale up. Therefore, it is anticipated to raise demand for Shiba as well as the acceptance and utilization of the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Its beta launch was not without controversy, though, as some observers claimed it had stolen its chain ID from Rania, a new blockchain that is presently in testnet. The accusations were promptly addressed by Shariam developers. Kdaya tweeted that no duplication was deliberate and that chain IDs were chosen at random for Shariam's beta network. Daira also indicated that his team would be redeploying a new Shariam beta network with a distinct chain ID, helping to put to rest any idea that Layer 2's team is just replicating previous networks. Even with this refutation, Shiba's price is still trailing many other significant tokens and hasn't really recovered from its decline that coincided with the surfacing of the aforementioned charges. In spite of this, Shiba has risen in the market capitalization rankings this month, having jumped from 15th place early in March to 14th place around a week ago. This demonstrates its consistent growth, which might continue once the Shiba Metaverse launches. Although there isn't a set launch date for this virtual environment with a shoe theme, it's generally anticipated to happen before the year ends. A few updates, including early footage of one of the distinct sections of the metaverse, have been provided by its crew recently. Developers claim that 10,595 buyable areas will make up the Shiba Metaverse planet, which will be unlocked gradually. During its initial phase, 3,643 lands will be made available for purchase, out of which 32,124 will be revealed. These will be divided into many districts according to a certain graphical style and flavor. The metaverse presents itself as a unified future for gaming, entertainment, and commerce. Considering this platform's methodology, it is reasonable to predict that Shiba will see some significant price increases as the year goes on. While it's just around $0.108 right now, It may easily post returns to $0.0015 and $0.002 in the following few months. Actually, a lot of people are waiting for even greater returns, some are even hoping for $0 or higher. Although this is very ambitious, there's little doubt that Shiba will eventually see some enviable returns if all of its scheduled launches go as planned. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.